my channel. Today is day 17 of my 24 days of DIY. I am so excited for today's video because we are wrapping presents. Now I love wrapping presents. I don't know why. I have always loved wrapping presents. And I know they just get unwrapped and everything gets thrown away. But there's something about a cute present that makes me so happy. So for today's video, I thought I would just share some different present topper ideas to make those presents a little extra cute. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I have with me just a big stack of presents that I've already wrapped, but now we're gonna add just a little finishing touch on them and make them really cute with some present toppers. And to be honest, I kind of just grabbed a whole bunch of random stuff that I think is cute. So we'll see how much of this we really use. Okay, I'm going to start with one that I actually haven't wrapped yet because I'm actually going to wrap it in a different way besides wrapping paper. So I really hope my sister's not watching this because this is for her. She asked for just a cute little agenda planner for next year. She's still in school and I saw this one at Target with little polka dots and I just thought it was really cute. So I have this cute bandana and I feel like this works really well on anything that is rectangle shaped or square. So like a book or anything like that, I feel like this works really well with. So I'm just going to lay my bandana out flat on the table and I'm going to put the agenda right in the center, and then starting at one corner I'm going to simply fold that over and tuck it under the planner, and then I'm going to do the opposite corner and tuck it underneath, and then I'm going to flip the whole thing, keeping this corner that I just tucked secure, and then I'm just going to take my two other sides and simply tie them in a knot. And there you have a super cute wrapping job. It's really two presents in one because they get a cute hair accessory, but then also what is underneath it. And I'm just obsessed with this. I think that is such a cute way to wrap a gift. All right, what's next? Okay, so I have this cute little rectangle one. What do I want to do with this one? Okay, so if you've been following me for a while now, you will know that I love all things plants and like dried grasses. So this cute wrapping paper, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pine cones. And I love bunny tails. I think these are so cute. So I'm gonna stay with the theme of like nature, pine cones. And I think I'm just gonna put some cute little bunny tails just on the package and then tie a little bow, probably just with this simple cotton twine. I think that's really cute. Okay, next up I just have a brown paper package. Really, I should just wrap it with string. Brown paper package is tied up with string. But I'm not gonna do that. Though, this would be cute. I was thinking for this one, I have just these cute little white pom-poms. I was thinking just to glue some of these pom-poms on here. To be honest, I'm not sure if this glue will work. This is just like Elmer's glue. Maybe I need hot glue, but I'm too lazy to go get it right now, so we're just gonna try this. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this cute string around it as well, just for fun. Ah, so fun and festive. Ah, this is so fun. Okay, next. I love this wrapping paper. It's white with black little dots. Okay, so I picked these little fake mini wreaths up last year and I've been dying to use them because I think they're made for like gift wrapping. So I'm just gonna put a cute little mini wreath in the center of this one with some rope, and I think it'd be really cute to put like the person's name in the middle. That's cute. Okay, next, another polka dot package. Okay, so I picked up these mini bauble ornaments from Target. They come, I think there's 12 or 16 of them in a pack, and it's only $3, and these are just the cutest little colors. And so what I'm thinking for this one, I think I'm just gonna put a string through these ornaments and then just kind of have them hang along the package. That's so cute. Okay, make sure they're centered. I love that so much. Okay, next, this is a super simple one. It's also not typical wrapping paper. So I made this stocking 2 or 3 years ago on my channel. There's a DIY for it, super simple, but it's just this cute little boho stocking. And I love using stockings to put presents in if they're just kind of like weirdly shaped or you just don't really know how to wrap them, or if there's like multiple presents, then this is just like a cute way to like give your friend or whoever you're gifting just cute little bag of presents. So I have wrapped these 3 small presents for one of my family members. I could just give them to her all like this and that would be fine, but I was thinking I could just stick them in this stocking and then they're all together and it's just like another cute little wrapping. All right, next we have another pine cone wrapping paper. This one's a super simple one as well. I just made a big chunky tassel. I'm obsessed with this yarn, just like the chunkiness of it. But I made a big old tassel and I'm really just going to like tape it down on here. I just think cute little tassel on the present. Very simple but cute. Okay, next I have a big box and I have some real pine needles. So I'm just going to trim off a few of these little branches. And then I have this really pretty sparkly ribbon and I'm just going to tie a little bow. Ah, this one might be my favorite yet. That is so pretty. This present's for my husband and I don't think he's going to really appreciate this wrapping, but this is cute. Okay, to be honest, I ran out of presents that I've already wrapped, but I have a few more ideas, so I'm going to use this pine cone one again just to show a couple more ideas. First of all, I think this is a great idea if you're gifting to like a little girl. I've done this before on past presents, but I will make them a little bow with a little clip in the back, and I will just clip this to like string on the present so that they get the present, but then also they can use the bow like in their hair, and it's just really cute. So they get a little present, a little bow with their present. And then my last idea is just to get a fun ornament. So I got this little ballerina ornament for Hallie last year because she loves ballet, so I think it's so cute, especially for a kid's present, just to hang a cute little ornament on there that like represents them. I have a cute little ballerina, or I have a little llama for Crew. He loves these little guys. So I don't know, I just think getting a cute little, especially like felt ornaments, I think are just so cute. And hanging those on a present is a really cute idea too. All right guys, so those are the ideas that I have today. I honestly don't know how many we did. I didn't keep track, but hopefully maybe there's some inspiration in at least one of these for you guys. They're all really simple, but I think they just add that little extra touch to the wrapped presents. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and like always, if you recreate any of these, please send me a picture or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will see you tomorrow with another DIY. Bye!